Hello everyone, welcome back. We have a lot of exciting arm wrestling updates to discuss. Let's start with Hermes. In a recent interview with Matt, Hermes clarified that his loyalty lies with the East versus West League and its rules, not specifically with Engin. He explained that although he signed the letter with 27 athletes, his true concern was protecting the rules from possible unilateral changes under new leadership. He admitted that signing the letter was a mistake since every athlete had different issues, while for him it was only about the rules. After being impressed by the professionalism, protest system, and referee improvements at East vs West 19, Hermes regained full confidence in the league and confirmed he will continue competing as long as fairness and stability are maintained. While respecting Engin's contribution, he stressed that his priority is fair competition and he called for unity among fans and athletes to move past the controversy and help grow what he still considers the best league in the world. Now let's discuss Devon Larratt's review of East vs West 19. Devon recently shared a video from Denver after some travel delays, where he gave his impressions of the event held at the Brian Shaw Classic. He praised the strongman community, describing the athletes' incredible strength and hospitality, and highlighted standout performances such as Derek Smith's improvement, Dave dominance, Gabriella continued superiority, and Philip Larson rapid rise. Devon admired Brian Shaw's win over Brendan Allen and appreciated how well the event was organized. Reviewing his own match with Alex, Devon explained his technical adjustments, said he felt completely in control, and praised Alex for stepping up during a turbulent time. Confident in his form, Devon set his sight for facing Vitaly Lalitan or another top super heavyweight next. He closed by thanking the organizers, athletes, and fans and expressed excitement for the upcoming event like Swiss Open over the top in Australia. Now let's talk about the upcoming East versus West 20. We have positive news from the new management. Most of the European arm wrestlers are back, and the event is shaping up to be really exciting. Moving on to some post match interviews, starting with Devon Larratt. Devon explained that his strength at the age 50 comes from prioritizing arm wrestling over weight training, focusing entirely on table time, intensity, and volume. He said a turning point came when he trained with Gyuji, where he realized that anything reducing his performance on the table simply was not worth it. Devon now believes he is the strongest he has ever been in his career. His advice for Alex was to fall in love with arm wrestling and remove distractions. Next, Brendan Allen's post match interview. Brendan explained that Brian's grip strength denied the straps and forced him into disadvantageous positions. Despite trying multiple adjustments, he could not overcome Brian's massive side fracture. He felt he performed well, but Brian was simply too strong and well prepared. Last but not the least, let's discuss what Brian said in his post match interview. Brian said that after losing round 1 to Brandon, he adjusted his setup, stayed calm, and used his strength to turn the match around. He acknowledged that Brandon was strong and experienced, but said he learned a lot, executed well, and views this as just another step in his arm wrestling journey. So, guys, these were some of the major updates I wanted to share with you. That's all for today. Like, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, guys.